Welcome to Tropical Dragon Permaculture. Well, today is chop and drop, so we're going to get some of our Napier grass cut down and chopped and dropped where it is, and in some cases spread around other areas that we need some more compost. So here we go. Well, that was our chop and drop. Got it all done, got everything spread around. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something, at least the way that we do things, and start building our soil to make it better for our plants. If you liked the video, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like it, and we'll see you next time.